This is the situation at Morgan Tsvangirai's house. We had been called for a press conference, but unfortunately it's blocked by police. We don't think there's anybody who is going to be able to address the media right here at Morgan Tsvangirai house, which is Kona Nelson Mandela and Angwa. This is the police that are here, and we also have some details who are in the back of the pickup who have been taken from this house. We believe they are MDC members, maybe the security guards who have been guarding this place. As you can see, they are being taken away. They're being taken away by police. Right. So this is the situation right now on the ground. We don't think there is going to be a press conference where MDC officials wanted to address the media, but unfortunately I don't think it will be possible. So we have a police truck which is here, and we also have some journalists that are around here, and we will continue to give you a live update as we are here at Morgan Tsvangirai house. My name is Silvester reporting for SlyMedia. Just to check at the entrance and see what's the situation, if the building is being occupied by anyone. It doesn't look like that because the entrance to the building is locked, completely locked, as you can see here. This is the entrance to the Morgan Tsvangirai house, so it is completely locked, no activity, it's quiet at the moment. Hawana kubudira rekona press conference. Oh, but you go watch it. What can go on a bit of it doesn't make sense. But I'm not lying. Yeah, no, that's very true. This is the street Nelson Mandela. Is very quiet, as you can see, because the traffic that's coming down from Julius Nyerere going up to First Street is blocked by the police details. They are not allowing cars or vehicles to pass through this road. This is the reason why it's quiet. Some of them, there were many when we arrived here, but they've gone back to the central via Angwa. So this is the situation right now here at the Morgan Tsvangirai house, which is being demanded by Khupe, who is the Vice President of MDCT, and also who is battling for this same building with the MDC Alliance team. So rumors are that Khupe wants to take over with their team, and that's maybe the reason why there is some police details to try and help her to occupy this building, because it is now said it belongs to MDCT, which is where Vice President Khupe is the current Vice President of the party after the court ruling, the Supreme Court ruling. Thank you for watching, and thank you for continuing to support SlyMedia. Continue to share this live broadcast as we continue to give you an update of what's happening here in the Central Business District of Harare, where we are at the Morgan Tsvangirai house, which is quiet. There's no one in, but when we arrived here, there were 3 people who were in a police pickup truck. One of them was lying. We are not very sure whether that person was ill or sick or something, and then 2 of them were seated inside the car. We could not get close to the car to see if they had handcuffs with them, but we understand they were here at the building and they've been taken away from this building. Thank you so much for joining this live broadcast. We are here at Morgan Tsvangirai building in Harare. We have been called as media persons to come and attend a press conference which was supposed to be addressed by the President of MDC Alliance, Nelson Chamisa, but unfortunately we are not sure if we are going to have that interview. Let me get close to the other guys there that are having some information with the police and see if we can be able to get any information. Okay. We can see the Vice President for MDC Alliance, Biti, who is coming here, just arriving. Thanks, Baba. You see, Tendai Biti has arrived here. He wants to speak to the police, as you can see. Thank you.
problem that no kingdom of need. Number one, we own the building. And also, we own the building, and also this alliance here. But in the court there, we will keep in the moment. And funny moon, another would be that like a court order, and I want a court order. They got the building. And the Mazur start to Kumbiro with the Pisino and Varimo, Tipino of so we are asking you to remove the imposters in our building so that we can occupy our building. And it works. So look at that, this for your council office. Superintendent so Kumbiro access to have it, MRT. So for now, for the refund, you come to office to sit down. There is a superintendent. I'm not addressing those ones. I only came to respond to you. You said you want to see the charge. Are we talking something the matter? Chief Superintendent. Timing again, why is it timing again? It's only one. Giving us problems, timing again. That's short life.
Does it mean that you have not been served with a court order to try and occupy this building?
Just a violent takeover of our party by the military.
How can people come and occupy at 12 midnight? 12 midnight, aided by the police.
There's no... We are the MDC Alliance, led by Advocate Nelson Chamisa. We have occupied this building since time immemorial. We acquired this building way back in 2002. Before Mondora joined in 2002. Who is Mondora? Who is Comage? Who is Khupe? And everyone knows that. Everyone knows that. So you can't deny us access to that building. You can't deny our workers the right to use that building. And so what we are asking the police is to say, please eject the unlawful imposters that are there. And then allow us, the rightful, lawful occupants and owners of that building, to take the occupation of our building. Surely what country in the world, what government in the world interferes in the affairs of a private voluntary organization?
Sending the army for that matter.
And you send the army, at a time when people are dying of COVID, at a time when people are dying of disease in our country, at a time when 95% of our people are unemployed. All you do as Emerson is to try and destroy Nelson Chamisa, is to try and destroy the people's movement, because Chamisa committed a crime by beating you heads down in 2018. Shame on you, Mnangagwa. Shame on you, ZANU-PF.
Biti nechishona toda kungozwawo kuti zvizvakunza ipanochicha.
Pauya pano ambuya kuti tizopinda mu sorry.
I hope it's not
Pauya pano ambuya.
Sorry.
Well, she's trying to put things in order. The paperwork that shows the ownership of this building is in whose name or organization?
The MDC Alliance was always occupied this building. The Parliament has got here. 44 Nelson Mandela Avenue. This is a building owned by the MDC Alliance.
Yeah, because I'm honorable. I think
nechishona tiri kuti tauya kuzotizopinda muhofisi yedu, head office yedu, 44 Nelson Mandela Avenue, Morgan Richard Tangirai House, formerly known as Harvest House. So tiri kushamisika kune masoja nemapurisa ari kutirambidza kuti tipinde mubuilding yedu. Tine vashandi vada kupinda imomo, tine maoffice bearers, vana secretary general vedu vada kuti vapinde, vana mai Klachwai vari panapa, vana mai Karenyi Kore vari panapa, vana Chimhini vari panapa, vapinde mubuilding vashande. Zvavangoita mazuva ese, zvavaita in the last 20 years that we have existed as a police force.
Pane court order inoratidza kuti mabhiso zviri
hapana court order. Tisiri magweta ndokubasa kwedu ikoko. Hapana court order. sokungodzanya chete you rape a political organization and seize its head office nekuti wakadyiwa naChamisa muna July of 2018. Saka nyaya uri kurwira iyo zvirume zvikuru Emerson Mnangagwa. Vanhu vari kufa neCovid, vanhu vari kufa nenzara. Iwe Emerson pasara kutande neMZC Alliance hausode.
Taona vanhu vari kumhanyiswa zvekare vachizitoma chema bhengi vachinzenda chimba panguva ino yakaoma. And inini mune vanhu vakawanda muno muguta reHarare munoti kuti ine kushungurudzwa kwevanhu.
Hurumende isisina legitimacy nevanhu, isisina mhanya nevanhu. Iko zvino kune Covid vanhu vari kugara mumba, hapana maservice nurse atapiwa vanhu, hapana munhu apiwa mari, hapana munhu apiwa chikafu. Yet informal sector yakavharwa. So zvingori zvinhu zvechihurumende chemagarananda tisina rudo nevanhu. Tashushurudza vanhu, tashungiridza vanhu. 89% yevanhu vomuno havana mabasa, marovha, asi vanhu vari kunzi havapiwe mari, vanhu vari kunzi havapiwe chikafu, vanhu vari kunzi havapiwe roller mill. Iko kumasoro kwacho zvinhu zvodhura. Inflation tane second highest rate of inflation in the whole world. Tangosara chete kanyika kanonzi Venezuela, dzimwe dzese tadzipfuura. Tauri kutonga chipa.
Vabiti maimboda kuita nhaurirano neZANU-PF seMDC Alliance. Muri kutadza kuita nhaurirano here nevamonzora vanga vari mubato renyu?
Monzora yeZANU-PF. Saka tokutaura, hatitaura nechikwambo, totaura nemuridzi wechikwambo. Muridzi wechikwambo ndiEmerson Mnangagwa.
Tanzwa ofisa vachitaura pano kuti handiuye kumaofisi. Muchaendapo here kana kuti pane zvimwe zvamuchaita?
Kumaofisi hatiende. He is in charge, so he must talk to us. Ndiye ane right, ndiye ari kugadha building. So he can't disperse us by sending us to that office. Kada kutura ngatiure, kada kutura ngatiure.
But what basis are they using to
law unlawfulness? They don't have a court order. And even that Supreme Court judgment doesn't give them any right to anything. Even Monzoragu's Secretary General, that judgment mentions him nowhere. That judgment simply says, Khupe, go and have your Congress. Guy and the Congress. What is he doing here at MIRC?
But who owns title to this building?
I answered that question already. It's the MDC Alliance.
What does it mean to have the army here to you? Like we hear last night, they were here blocking this area instead of having the police. If they are going to, they were having a court order.
We are fighting Emerson. We are fighting the state. Those are no whatever. And our committees, we are fighting Emerson. That's why I've said here, this is a fight with Emerson. And why is he angry with us? We beat him in 2018. He's not the legitimate president of this country. That's what this is all about.
That's what explains the difficulties.
Do you think you lose this fight in the house?
The people never lose. When I sleep like Bana, when I zap, when I'm Gaba Garamajeri, Hakuna Garananda, Rodiravan, no winner. Dictators come and go. If we remove the baobab that was called Robert Mugabe, what about the thorn tree called Emerson Mnangagwa? The thorn tree will go.
Yeah, maybe they are still consulting.
Maybe they are still consulting.
We still have the. I don't know what's out. We have the Vice President for MDC Alliance and other party members who are here at Morgan Tsvangirai House. They have not been allowed to enter into the building, and they are also saying the police doesn't have a court order which allows them to block this building or occupy the building. As you can see here, the advocate is here, who is also telling us that it's not constitutional for the army to be here, to be occupying this building. Right now they are going into a song, a freedom song, try and make sure that they win the battle between them and Thokozani Khupe, who wants to occupy this building. We are streaming live from Nelson Mandela building, Nelson Mandela Street at Morgan Tsvangirai House, and they are broken into song. I can see police details coming from behind to try and come and disturb this The situation has escalated as some of the members of MDC have been manhandled. They are being arrested and being taken into the police truck.
Why are you doing this to Zimbabwe? 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 Why are you doing this? 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 I will get it.
That other guy who is running away is being chased by police people. That's how I know, but I don't know. Push. He voluntarily walks into the truck which is here, as Vice President has not been able to, and the police are also chasing away, chasing some of the MDC details who are moving away the women, and the President has also moved into the truck, as you can see. Sorry. Right, some of the members are voluntarily getting into the police truck here. As you can see, we're going to see if these other ladies are also going to go into the front line.
Embarrassing yourself. Shame on you, it's embarrassing. Doing this to women. Shame on you. Shame on you. Stop everything and taking off buildings like this.
Tendai Biti and other officials have been arrested. If you are just joining us live on SlyMedia, Silvester reporting live from Morgan Tsvangirai House in Harare, Nelson Mandela Corner, Angwa. Ndiwo muzinda unonziwo Morgan Tsvangirai House unove ndiwo uri kuitiranwa makakatanwa pakati pe-MDC Alliance ne-MDCT inotungamirirwa na Madam Khupe. Vana Honorable Biti vanga vauya vachiti vada kupinda mubuilding yavo, asi vataurira nemapurisa vachivauza kuti hamuna court order inotirambidza kuti tipinde mubuilding. Vabvunzwa mubvunzo mapurisa wekuti ndiani akutenderai kuti muuye muzomira panapa musina court order. Vakati hatisi kupindura mibvunzo yese, kana muri kuda endai kucharge office kunove kwavaramba kuenda vatendai Biti. Asi taona vaviri mamembers eMDC achipinzwa mutrack, asi vice president vaBiti vapinda vega mutrack ino yemapurisa iri panapa. Mota yamutswa yave kufamba zvino ichienda, zvinoratidza kuti vave kuendeswa kumapurisa kwavachanopiwa macharges avo ekuti vaungana vachinge vachivapa vatanga kuimba, vachizviratidza kuti vatanga kuratidzira kutsutsumwa kwavo mamiriro ezvakaitika pavanoshandira paMorgan Tsvangirai House. Vangosara vatori venhau uyezve neve-MDC vari kumhiri uko vasiri kuda kusvika pedyo nemusha wamutsa bongozozo. Mune zvematongerwo enyika mukati mebato rimwe chete reMDC Alliance riri kurwisana neMDC inotungamirirwa na Madam Khupe. Ndo situation iri panapa. I think for now we are now going to close this live broadcast. Thank you so much for watching. Share this live broadcast so that people get to know what was transpiring here at Morgan Tsvangirai House along Nelson Mandela corner Angwa Street. Thank you so much for joining us live here.